Alright, what's going on, guys? Back again with a short. It's been a week since these two squirrels passed. So it's been a week. You think that people from the park care enough to come and pick them up and like get rid of them instead of leaving them there? No. Well, if you want to do something about it, it's in Marcus Park in Harlem, 124th Street. Complain, guys. On top of that, I think they're killing them. They also don't come and pick their little bodies up out of respect of nature. Get it together, man. Brr.